VOO is up, Bitcoin is up, Apple's up, Amazon is up. So if you have Bitcoin, you're making money right now. If you got the VOO stock, which is the Vanguard S&P 500, I think it's like $380 right now, you making money. I think Bitcoin is about 30 grand right now. I think Ethereum is like 2,000 something right now. Gold is like 2,000 something right now. Silver is like $25. So if you're investing in assets of those sorts, you're up right now. I always tell people to take profits, right? Take profits and invest it in other things, or invest it in yourself. Get a book, go to an event, things of that nature. Because the whole point of investing is so that your money can actually work for you. The whole point of investing is so that you can have money working for you. So when you need your money, you can take profits. And when you take profits, now you know, okay, my money actually worked for me. So I think I started buying the VOO stock when it was like $340. Now it's $380. I got 20 of them. I'm up. Bitcoin, I started buying Bitcoin, it was like 3,000. Bitcoin's 30,000. I'm up, right? So you take profits, right, along the way when you're investing in stocks, when you're investing in Bitcoin, when you're investing in assets, because eventually, right, most assets grow in value. That's why they call assets, right? They grow in value. They grow in value. So even you're an asset, right? You will grow in value depending on the people you're around, the money you invest in yourself, the books that you read, the coaches and masterminds, right, that you put yourself, to be a part of, and the circles, right, that you decide, to put yourself in. So investing, and I wish I would have learned about investing 10 years ago when I started my entrepreneurial journey. I didn't really start understanding investing until maybe about 5 years ago. I didn't understand it. I knew about stocks and all that, but to understand it is totally different, right? So if you start to invest in stocks, which I think VOO is the best, Bitcoin, silver, gold, start investing, in yourself. Eventually, over time, you will have something called the compound effect. Meaning, if I bought the VOO stock at $340, and all I did was buy the stock, even if I bought one stock, and 6 months later, 5 months later, a year later, it went up to $400. Now I'm up $60, right? And that was $60 that I didn't have to work for. Now some people say, oh, that's $60 ain't nothing. But $60 that you didn't have to work for. $60 that was working for you. Right? So we got to understand investing. That's why I got my money in the circle, right? My inner circle, which is $27 a month. And we talk about all of this stuff. Right, next month in May, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, and the whole purpose and the whole importance of having cryptocurrency as a part of your portfolio. So investing in the stock market is literally underrated because most people don't do it, right? Now, people that do it, they making money and they getting rich. People that don't do it, they work hard and they work hard and they keep working hard. And what we have to understand is that when we put money in the bank is investing our money. So every time that you deposit money into the bank invests all your money. So it's like the bank is making more money on your money than you are because you're not educated. All right, so you got to get educated, friend. And you can start with as little as $5 a week investing in Bitcoin on your Cash App for 90 days. In 90 days, investing $5 every week, you can have $300. And if Bitcoin continue to go up, that number may literally double for you. So that money literally be working for you. So if you don't start, you don't start. If you don't get knowledge, you won't get knowledge. If you don't start to educate yourself, you won't be educated. If you don't start to learn, you won't learn. If all your money is going to partying, drinking, drugging, gossiping, more bullshit, you're going to be broke come 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 if you make it to that. But if you start now, right, invest in $5 a week in Bitcoin or $5 a week in Apple stock on your Cash App. That's the easiest way. Everybody should have a Cash App. Easiest way to start investing. Easiest way, like the easiest way. You ain't got nothing to set up or nothing. $5 a week in Apple stock, $5 a week in Bitcoin, and see where you be at. So the sooner you start, the sooner you can be in profits. The sooner you start, the sooner you can be in profit. So I'm gonna shave my teeth and get my teeth done. So they literally shaved my teeth. So my teeth about to be all white. So if you don't start, guys, you won't be able to see any profits. But if you start, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you'll be able to see some profits, or even a couple months. I mean, VOO, like I said, I invested in it. I bought 20 shares of it when it was $340. Now it's $380. And that was like 4 months ago, 5 months ago. So you got to make your next move your best move. Click on the link, guys, and join the inner circle.